Hi, I'm Stephanie from the Manlius Library, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make a reusable beeswax wrap with the Take and Make kit for April. Your kit will contain some beeswax with jojoba oil and pine resin, and also a piece of fabric. So line a baking sheet with a piece of baking paper, which I have here, and then I'll just place my... Preheat your oven to 225 degrees. Then sprinkle the beeswax and pine resin evenly over the fabric. And then I'll put the pine stuff on too. Place the wrap in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use a paintbrush to spread around the wax evenly. However, I found this was very sticky and difficult to do at this point. So I skipped this step and placed it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. You want the beeswax and resin to be evenly melted. Use a pair of tongs to separate the wrap from the baking paper and give it a couple seconds to cool down, and once it's cool enough to touch, you can hang it to dry. After it's had a day to set, you can place it between two pieces of baking paper and iron it on a low setting to help distribute the wax a little more evenly. The wrap can be cleaned with mild soap and water and let air dry. I found that the wrap improved with ironing and use. Please let us know in the comments how this project worked out for you.